Hey there, morning warriors. Welcome to our video on boosting your morning routine with 10 productivity hacks. Hack number 1, wake up 15 minutes earlier. Starting your day 15 minutes earlier can give you a head start on your goals and set a positive tone for the day. Use this time to stretch, meditate, or plan your day. Hack number 2, meditate or practice mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help clear your mind and set intentions for the day. Even just 5-10 minutes of meditation can make a big difference in your focus and productivity. Hack number 3, eat a nutritious breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal to help fuel your body for the day ahead. Choose a healthy breakfast that includes a balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Hack number 4, plan your day. Take a few minutes to review your schedule and prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Hack number 5, avoid screens in the morning. The blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep and make it harder to wake up. Delay checking social media or emails until later in the day to minimize distractions. Hack number 6, use a productivity app. Productivity apps like Todoist, Trello, or Rescue Time can help you stay organized and focused. Find an app that works for you and use it to track your progress and stay on track. Hack number 7, review and adjust. Take a few minutes to review your progress and adjust your routine as needed. Reflect on what's working and what areas need improvement. Hack number 8, stretch or exercise. Starting your day with some physical activity can boost your energy and alertness. Hack number 9, drink water. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to rehydrate after a night of sleep. Hack number 10, get some natural light. Exposure to natural light can help regulate your circadian rhythms and improve your mood. Take a short walk outside or open your curtains to let sunlight in. These hacks are designed to help you start your day on a positive note, boost your productivity, and set yourself up for success. Like, share, subscribe.